Julian is first year college, and James Liam is now in 8th grade. Our favorite first daughter will be Joan. Were you there? Or Joma or Jones? Our favorite first son-in-law, Demerals or Nonoy. Oh, they're there. Nonoy is a Gonzalez. Our first grandchild and granddaughter, the young Jay, has just finished her first year in college. Where is Stan? Stan, maybe. Then we have Jaden D, who is in 10th grade. And then our boy genius, Dylan Jones. Stan. Come on, Stan. He is in 2nd grade. Our favorite second daughter, Ruby Jeroshel, or Jean or Peach, our bunso, and our dialysis nurse and jack of all trades son-in-law, Ernesto Bautista Jr. Where are you? Oh, there, he's there. Or JR. And we have Corbin Gray, who is now in 6th grade. Corbin Gray. And Haley Ray, who is in 4th grade. These two are Lola's official bodyguards. Because a week ago, today, they officially earned their black belts in Taekwondo. So this is the wealth. This is the wealth. This is our riches. All of them in the faith. All of them successful in their own fields. In sickness and in health. Together we try to stay in health. The health side of the pendulum. We have and still have our health challenges. I love you. In whatever alphabetical state your health is in, CA, HTN, A1C, LDL, and whatever. Name it. I will do anything and everything for you to be in health.